In this video we are going to look at Baselight 420X and how to operate it. Baselight is built to be very easy to handle and all what you need is included in the unit. In the video we are going through how to handle the legs, how to raise and adjust the unit on the ground, how to configure the light in different modes, and how to raise and lower the mast. To extend the legs you push the little red button here. This makes the leg come out a little bit. Then move the leg down to the ground like this. Before raising Baselight from the ground, for example a little bit uneven, grab the unit by the lower handle here, bend your knees with a straight back and then raise the unit from the ground. It is very important that the unit is in a leveled position to prevent the mast from tilt. If you need to adjust the unit to become more upright, just grab the chassis like this and move the unit in the proper direction. Never adjust the locks when the mast is raised. Now you can extend the light armature from the chassis. You do so by pressing this little lever here, a little gas spring, push the armature out of the chassis. Grab each light part and move the angle down to optimize the light on the ground. Now, before raising the mast, you decide what light configuration you want. Either you choose the 360 mode to spread the light around the unit, or the 180 degree mode to project all light in the same direction. Good to know is that the side where the wheels are mounted is the back side of Baselight. This means that the light will go in the opposite direction when using the 180 degree mode of light. You can of course use any position between the 360 and 180 mode to optimize the light for your specific needs. To raise the mast, you grab the top mast segment and lift it slightly up until you hear a little click. This means that the mast segment is fixed. A good way to work with the mast is to use your strongest arm for lifting the segment and the other hand to pull back the mast segment below. Repeat this until the mast segment is completely extended. Raise from the highest to the lowest segment when you extend the mast. To turn Baselight on, use this switch and adjust the strength of the light with the dimmer button here. To bring the mast down, use the pistol grip lock mechanism here. Lift the mast segment a little bit, pull the red button out and slightly lower the mast segment. Repeat this until the last part is lowered. Finally, to move armature into the chassis, just press it down until it's locked into the chassis. Now you only need to lower the unit to the ground. Take a steady grip of Baselight, move the unit slightly up to release the leg locks and then lower the unit to the ground. Bring the legs back into the chassis and that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this training session and we hope to see you again. Goodbye.